Okay, as you can see, I've taken all the preload off the spring. Undo the bottom down here, this one here, and let's look at this one here. Get the linkages out of the way, and the spring should be able to take that off and change springs over without having to take the swing arm or anything else off the bike. Let's see how we go. Now, with it still connected up and the back wheel off the ground, you can get it up enough to get the collar up to take the clip out, but you need it, the linkage is still connected, to put enough weight on that spring to pull it up. So there you go, 30 seconds later, there's your spring, your collars and all that are out. So now take this one here and this one here out, and we should have enough room to get that spring out. So let's just see what happens. We take the spring here out, take the screw out. Slides out of the way. It's looking good. And here we go. The spring is out. There we go. Give that a bit of a clean up. Shocky's still on the bike. Two bolts. Provided we can get the new one in. Close that collar. And I can just stay up there. Bolt it screw it in. Just enough to swing this past it. That's right, there, stay right there, Declan. Okay. Awesome, okay, jump it.
Aaron.
Sorry?
When John.
Just change the spring. Just trying to do it a different way. I don't have to take the shock and everything out of the bike. And that's it, done, it's in. Collar's on, spring's in, and it's that easy. Tighten those two bolts back up. There you go. Spring is in. Without taking the shock out, without taking anything up, all I have to do is torque this bolt here, put the nut back on, torque this one, wind my preload down to get me sag right, and that's it, done and dusted. As you can see up in here, we can't get to it now because my little mate has gone, had weight on the back. There you go, circlips in. Don't even have to take it out of the bike. Done and dusted.